you never trusted anyone outside of your own close-mouthed circle, and that you selected with time and care before you made any intimates, even among these. The bartenders would let me know which among the regular customers were mostly fronts, and which really had something going, which were really in the underworld, with downtown police or political connections, which really handled some money, and which were making it from day to day, which were the real gamblers, and which had just hit a little luck, and which ones never to run afoul of in any way. The latter were extremely well known about Harlem, and they were feared and respected. It was known that if upset, they would break open your head and think nothing of it. These were old-timers, not to be confused with the various hot-headed, wild, young hustlers out trying to make a name for themselves for being crazy with a pistol trigger or a knife. The old heads that I'm talking about were such as Black Sammy, Bob Hewlett, King Padmore, and West Indian Archie. Most of these tough ones had worked as strong-arm men for Dutch Schultz back when he muscled into the Harlem numbers industry after white gangsters had awakened, the fortunes being made in what they had previously considered nigger pennies, and the numbers game was referred to by the white racketeers as nigger pool. Most tough Negroes' heyday had been before the big 1931 Seabury investigation that started Dutch Schultz on the way out, until his career ended with his 1934. A man who in his prime could have stolen dollar bills whole long blindfolded was threadbare, comic, or futile.